Can you float gears in a car like you can in a semi? The short answer is, technically yes, but it's not recommended. Understanding gear floating. Floating gears, or shifting without the clutch, is something you'll often see in semi-trucks. It's a technique where the driver matches the engine RPM with the transmission speed to shift gears smoothly without using the clutch. This is something professional truck drivers learn to do to minimize wear and tear on the clutch, since semi-trucks are working vehicles that cover massive distances. The mechanics. In a semi-truck, the transmissions are designed to handle this kind of treatment. They are built to deal with the high levels of torque and have heavy-duty synchros. Cars, on the other hand, generally have transmissions that are less robust and not designed to handle the stress of floating gears constantly. Why it's not recommended for cars. 1. Wear and tear. Cars have lighter-duty transmissions compared to semi-trucks. Floating gears can cause significant wear and tear on your synchros and gear teeth. 2. Engine and transmission damage. If you're not adept at perfectly matching engine RPM with the transmission speed, you risk grinding the gears. Over time, this can lead to costly repairs. 3. Safety. In a car, especially in regular traffic, having that extra control with the clutch is essential for safe driving. Floating gears can be unpredictable and can leave you in an unintended gear at an inopportune moment. Exceptions. Some experienced drivers or mechanics might float gears in a car just to demonstrate it can be done, or as a workaround if the clutch hydraulics are failing. However, this is more about their skill and less about it being a viable long-term practice. Better practices. For normal driving circumstances, it's best to use the clutch pedal as intended. It ensures smoother shifts, preserves your transmission, and maintains overall vehicle safety. If you're interested in the mechanics of floating gears, semi-trucks are the appropriate platform to learn and practice. So, while you could technically float gears in a car, it's not advisable unless you're prepared for potential mechanical issues down the line. If you love driving and your vehicle, the clutch pedal is your friend. Use it.